Good morning, children, and welcome back to our online class of computer studies. So we are already continuing the chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Word Processor and Introductions. We have gone through many topics, isn't it? So in the last video, I have taught you how to select the text. There are various ways of selecting the text, like for word, for individual character, for group of words, okay, lines, sentence, and so many. So today we are going to learn about how to delete a text, that is deleting a text. Okay, so this is our topic. Deleting the text. So what do you mean by deleting? Deleting means removing. So what word we can delete? We can delete the character, individual letter, we can delete the word, we can delete the lines or sentences, isn't it? Now for deleting this we need a certain key, we need the help of a keyboards. Okay, so there are basically two type of keys used for deleting the text, that is delete key and backspace key. These are key. So from the keyboard we can use either delete key or backspace key for deleting the text. Okay, now there is certain difference between these two also. The difference is that delete key delete the text present to the left of the cursor. If suppose our text is computer and the cursor is this one, so this is the cursor. Okay, so if you use delete key, okay, delete key means this particular key will be deleted by delete key, and if you use backspace key, this will be deleted as a backspace key. That means delete key deletes the left, okay, the character which is present at the left of the cursor, whereas backspace key deletes the character which is present at the right of the cursor. So this is the basic difference between delete key and backspace key. Both are used to delete the character, but only the difference is backspace key right of the cursor and delete key left of the cursors. So this is all about deleting the character or individual letter. Now if you need to delete a word, so for that first you need to select the word. Okay, first you need to select the word, then you can press the delete key, the word will be deleted. In the same way, if you want to delete a line or sentence, you need to select first. Selection is very important. Okay, so when you select the entire say sentence or lines, and if you press the delete key, you'll find the line is missing from that document. That means it is deleted. Okay, so to delete a word and line or sentence, what you have to do is first you need to select the text, then you need to press the delete key. But for individual character or letter, you can use either backspace or delete key based on their positions. So children, these things whatever I told now, I will show you by doing practically also, like how we can delete the character, how we can delete the words and all. Okay, so see this properly. Deleting the text. So children, we can delete the text in different way. Say first let me type some text, let me increase the size. Okay, first point, deleting a character, that is a letter. You have to place the cursor to the left of the character to be deleted and press delete key. So right now you can see the cursor is in between M and P, so the left side character will be deleted with the help of delete key. If you press the delete key, the left side character is deleted, and if you press the backspace key, right side character will be deleted. So left character delete key, right character backspace key. Deleting a word. First of all you need to select the word, any word you need to select it first. Okay, then you can press the delete key, your word will be deleted. So deleting many lines or a paragraph, we have to select the lines or paragraph to be deleted and press delete key. That means in short we can delete the text with two keys from the keyboard. One is delete key, another is backspace key. So delete key delete the character left of the cursor, whereas backspace right of the cursor. Okay, and for word or line sentence you have to select first, then you can press delete key for deleting it. So children, you understood how we delete the text, character, word and lines or sentences. We can take the help of delete key and backspace key from the keyboards. Now children, let us move to our next topic, that is moving the text. So children, what does moving the text means? Suppose any text is there, like say computer. Now moving means you have to shift this place. You have to remove this one from here. And say suppose you need to place it here somewhere. Okay, that means from here you need to remove, and here you need to place or insert. So this is known as moving the text. That means you are shifting the position, you are shifting the place of the text. Okay, in case of moving, what happens is original text is deleted, it is removed, and the same text you can paste somewhere else. Okay, but before placing that, the cursor should point. That means the position where cursor is blinking, that position only you can place the text. That is the rule. Now to do this, we use certain tools of Microsoft Word or word processor. So this tool is known as cut and here paste. Cut and paste options. Cut and paste options are available inside the home tab. Inside home tab there is a clipboard group. Inside the group you will find cut option is there as well as paste option is there. Paste option is only highlighted when cut option is activated. That means if you have cut, if you have removed something, then only the paste button will be activated. Otherwise it will be in deactivate mode. So cut and paste option we can use to shift, to move the text from one place to another place. We can even use a shortcut also. Shortcut means certain keys combinations from the keyboard. There is a shortcut for cut, that is Ctrl plus X, and in the same way there is a paste shortcut also, Ctrl plus V. So we can use shortcut key also to do this task, to move the text. We can use Ctrl plus X for cut, Ctrl plus V for paste. Okay children, so cut and paste is the option in Microsoft Word which is basically used to move the text from one location, one place and shift in another place. So these things whatever I explained now, I will do this practically also so that it will be better for you to understand. So see this properly. Moving the text. Moving means to shift the text from one place to another. Moving is done by using cut and paste options. To move text we have to follow certain steps. First let me write the text over here. Computer. You select it, increase the size. Okay. So first of all you need to select the text. Then in the home tab you get the cut options. You can cut means the text is not displayed there. Okay, the cut option you get from the clipboard group. So once you have cut, you can move the cursor to the place where you want to paste your text. So anywhere, okay, you can just simply double click the cursor position is displayed there. Now again you can go to the home tab, okay, and you get the paste options from here. See, the text has been appeared, means the position of the text has been shifted from one place to another. So in short, moving means to shift the text from one place to another, and to do this we use a feature known as cut and paste. That means we are removing the text from its original place and we are shifting that, or we are placing that on another place. Okay, so this is known as moving the text. So children, understood how we move the text from one place to another? It's very simple, isn't it? You have seen also that how I have used the cut and paste options on particular text to move from one place to another practically. So let us move to our next topic, that is copying the text. Copying the text. Now what does copying means? Copying means creating a duplicate. In case of moving, you are simply shifting the place. But in case of copying, the original text will be there and duplicate will also be created. Like, suppose I have a text known as computer, and I can shift the computer here also. It will not be removed. Copy and paste options. We can use copy and paste option from the home tab, clipboard group. And in case of copying the text, original text will remain, it will not be removed. Okay, it will be there. Simply we'll copy this one and we'll paste somewhere else also multiple times. Okay, there's no issue. We can paste multiple text in a same document. So in case of copying the text, original text remain unchanged and the duplicate text will be created as many as times as we need. Okay, so for doing this we use copy and paste options from the home tab, clipboard group. Okay, inside the home tab there is a clipboard group. There we find copy and paste options. Again, paste option is deactivated by default. It gets activated only when we first use either cut or copy options. So first what you have to do, either cut or copy. If you have did this one, you will find your paste option is activated. Otherwise it will be disabled. Okay, it will be inactive. So there is also a shortcut for copy as well as paste. The shortcut for copy is Ctrl plus C and paste Ctrl plus V. So copy and paste option is used to copy the text from one location and place in another locations. In copying, the text remain unchanged, original text remain unchanged, whereas in moving, original text gets deleted. That is the difference between copying and moving. So children, today I have explained you three different topics. First of all, how to delete the text. Secondly, how to move the text, and third, how to copy the text. So children, this copying the text also practically I am going to do, so see properly, it will be better for you to understand. Okay, so copying the text. Children, copying means to copy the text from one place to another. So for copying we use copy and paste command. So let me type some text over here, say computer, and first of all you need to select the text. Then again from the home tab you get the copy option, then place the cursor somewhere down here, go to the home tab and use the paste options. What you'll find is that the text has been duplicated. That means original text is there in its own place, and the copied part means duplicate text or another text has been placed at the point where cursor is blinking. So copying means to copy the text from one place to another, and the feature we use is copy and paste. Copy, paste, both options are available inside the home tab and inside the clipboard group.